This is the intimidating Z400 from Acta Non Verba. Acta Non Verba envisioned the Z400 to be a dominating new design to top off all their other folding knives, with characteristics that single out this dagger over all your other pocket knives. The blade is 4 inches long and is made of Sleipner steel. The dagger-style blade is stonewashed and only sharpened on one side. This knife is dressed with a durable G10 handle and aluminum hardware and liner lock. The deep carry pocket clip is reversible, discreet, and slips this blade right into your list of favorites for an everyday carry knife. The double guards are accented with 2 ANV Lumi Dots that glow after being exposed to light. The Z400 is a lightweight and aggressive knife, and you can pick yours up at the link in the description. Hey, thanks for watching. This is a pretty unique knife, and I love how the guards are also the flipper, but let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for a newsletter down below. We'll see you in the next one.